Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Nodejs Stripe. Today we are going to learn about how to create an invoice for an item. So basically we have created the products, right? So I want to create the invoice for this lines of items for this price. Okay, so this product. So how I'm going to create that invoice, we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the API endpoint. So this is the line of items. So let me just restart the server and check invoicing. Let's send the invoice. It says unknown parameter item. I think price should be there. Run this. Send. Invoice created. If I go to the customer, so here if I go to the customer on the behalf of which I'm creating the invoice, so this is the customer section, and this is the invoice for this customer. I'm creating the invoice. This is the details. Okay. So now this is a $10 payment, right? So here pending invoice items. Okay. So this is the invoice which I have created right now. Okay. So this is pending invoice items, which is not yet done by the customer. And let's see the customer receives the email or not. If it is not, then we have to think on that how to generate the emails in the next video. First, we'll check with the millinator that he receives the email or not. So I think he hasn't received the email for the invoice. So we will check in the next video that customer should also know that the invoice has been raised or something. So we will get to know in the next video. But the invoice for the lines of items is created with the pending one. Okay. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.